How do you fix medieval crafter Blacksmith is crashing on Steam? First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the general tab in the launch options box, you want to add -dx11 and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. And once this is completed, you can close Steam and open up your browser. This link is going to be in the description. You'll need to go to this Microsoft website and make sure to install the 86 installer and the 64 for the redistributables, both of them. And once you finish the installation, it will ask you to restart your computer. Now, after the restart, one last thing you'll need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, if you're running AMD, you will need the AMD software, where you can check for the latest updates and install them from here. And the last thing you'll need to do is open up Steam as admin, run as admin, and then open up the game from your Steam library. And this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.